So Microsoft is laying off 9,000 employees, roughly 4% of its workforce. And this is just the latest rounds of cuts they are making. And the main reason is AI is replacing humans that work for Microsoft. I guess this is something we all fear, that we're going to be replaced by artificial intelligence. And at Microsoft, it's a very real thing. They're even using AI to help determine which employees will get fired, will get laid off, or will actually get a raise if they're valuable enough to the company, all determined by artificial intelligence. Now, Microsoft says a lot of these cuts are in the management areas, but it seems like quite a lot are coming from the Xbox division. So what does this mean? Does this mean that all of our Xbox games are going to be programmed by artificial intelligence now? It's just another example of how AI is taking over our lives. Just take YouTube as an example. The famous algorithm is artificial intelligence. So that determines the fate of a lot of the videos that you watch. Whether you see them or not is determined largely by artificial intelligence. A lot of this technology is right in your computer. If you use Copilot or any kind of search engine, that's all artificial intelligence. That's determining what you see in your search results. If you do a chat, you're talking to artificial intelligence. You're not really talking to a real person. Now, some would say that's good. Others would say they would like a human touch. I think the real problem with AI is when we allow it to make very important decisions. I mean, it could be a medical decision, whether you get care or not. It could be a military decision, whether you decide to go to war or not. That's where it gets kind of scary. And then ultimately, who is determining what decisions AI is allowed to make? Probably another AI program is determining that. So I think part of it is getting lazy, getting cheap. I guess artificial intelligence saves money because you have less people making decisions, but that can be pretty dangerous. So what do you think? Has artificial intelligence already gone too far? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time. Take it easy.